Hello, this is Timot Vince, and today I'd like to go over some X3 LU news. For starters, we have a demo of X3 AP plus LitCube's Universe plus Elanqua running on Linux. You can install LitCube's Universe using Wine, so there's no need for a Windows install. And you can see here that everything is working except the new font that Elanqua ships with does not work on Linux, and the reshade presets do not work either. That's okay, the game looks beautiful and still works well. I will probably be playing this myself. Let's say you want to get LU for yourself. Well, that was easier a little while ago than it is now. Effective 22/9/27 coming up soon, the LitCube's Universe Wiki will be going offline. This wiki has been in service for, I believe, over a decade now, and my hat is off to Jack08 and LitCube for hosting the infrastructure for us to enjoy the game for so long. Thank you for making LitCube's Universe as well. But do not worry, LitCube gave us permission to redistribute the files as we need to, and the files will not disappear from the internet, but how you get them might change in the future. For now, go to LitCube's Universe Egosoft Forum, page 953 because the mod was so unpopular, and go down to Alexel SP's post, which includes the files you need to run the game. In addition, there is the luwiki.rar, which has the Linux files you need for tsuns to keep suns from messing up in the Terran sectors. There is a LitCube's Wiki RFGD LU Wiki page, which, when navigated to, shows you basically a copy of the LU Wiki, where you can go to features and changes and look at things like bounce, which keeps your ships from running into each other. If you have any questions about where to download or how to install, I highly recommend going to the Star Wars LU Discord. The Star Wars LU Discord is basically where the X3 modding community, particularly around LU, ended up over the years. It is not only for Star Wars projects, but just for LU in general. Going to the announcements page, we can see that development is underway with a 1.3.0 Star Wars LU test image available. I would not recommend this for general play, as there are probably going to be changes, perhaps significant changes in the future, and there's no guarantee that your Empire will survive the export-import process depending on how the codebase goes. If you want to play OU, particularly Star Wars OU, stick with 1.2.9. If you want to play around, help fix bugs, or even notify the team of any existing bugs, and generally see what's new, check out the test build section of the Discord, and you can see updates. They do this so that they don't spam the announcements channel with updates to the test image. Switching over to Star Wars Mayhem 2, there will be an update released to coincide with this video that fixes a bug where player ship could not accelerate. I'm sure this was frustrating, and my apologies, but I have fixed the bug and am releasing an update as we speak. Star Wars Mayhem 2 basically takes X3 and turns it into an empire building, very slow RTS. If that doesn't fit your fancy, perhaps Mayhem 3 will fit the bill. Mayhem 3 has had significant development over the last year, with Juabarb releasing an update to the Mayhem codebase, and then Hector, or Darth Fiscus on YouTube, releasing Mayhem 3.0 Hour. This is all in addition to the old codebase, which hosts Mayhem 3 rebalanced, and Star Wars Mayhem 3. However, most new code is on the 0 hour updates, and even Hairless Ape got involved and made a ZMap generator. Very cool stuff, and Hector can flex his codebase based off of whether ZMap was used for the creation of the universe, giving him some pretty cool possibilities on what he can do in the code. The only other thing I'd like to update is GIC, which is a add-on for Star Wars LU. Galaxy and Chaos release an update on July 18th. I have played this myself, and it is truly chaos, but is a lot of fun. Those are just updates for where we're at in the Star Wars and regular LU communities. And just wanted everyone to know that the development of X3 is still going. It's still alive and well for being such an old game. And there are still new players coming in all the time. So it might be something worth checking out. This is Tim at Vince. Have a blessed day.